Hello, math students. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Are you ready to do some math? Okay, you need a piece of paper, a pencil, and a calculator. If you are using a desktop, go to this Windows button. When you click on it, your apps will show up and your calculator's near the top. For those of you using the school Chromebook, you click on the white circle in the lower left-hand corner, and that will bring up your launcher. You can either see your calculator appearing here, or if you have not used it recently, you're going to have to type in calculator into the search bar. Of course, you can always use your cell phone or a regular calculator. Today's question: Emma bought a CD for $11.03, a microphone for $24.04, a CD player for $32.15. Her tax is $1.15. How much did Emma spend in all? I want everyone to take a moment. You can draw pictures on your scratch paper, or you can go on and write down your number sentence. Think about how are you going to solve this. Emma has a CD for $11.03, a microphone for $24.04. She has a CD player for $32.15, and her tax is $1.15. I'm not sure where Emma's living in this word problem, but $1.15 would be a very small amount of tax for this purchase. If we were buying it here in our area, her tax would be about $5. Okay, so we have a CD, a microphone, a CD player, and her tax. And we want to buy all of these things. We want to put it all together. So anytime we put things together and try to get a total, yes, you are right, we are adding. So let's go on and put our addition marks between our money amounts. There's an addition or plus sign, another plus sign, another plus sign, and at the end, we always want to put our equal sign. Okay, get your calculators ready. Okay, we're going to start right here with the $11.03. 1 decimal point 03 plus 2 4 decimal point 04 plus 3 2 decimal point 15 plus 1 decimal point 15 equals. If you got $68.37, way to go. Give yourself a pat on the back. If that is not what you got, don't get discouraged. It's okay. We all make mistakes. As I've told you, Mrs. Hasselman always uses 2 fingers when she uses a calculator. 1 to touch each number on the paper and 1 to put it into the calculator. It's very easy to lose your place. Don't get discouraged. You're doing great. Okay, so Emma bought all of these things and her total was $68.37. Now, Emma has $100. She must have worked hard and saved all of her money so she could buy these wonderful things. Does she have enough money to make the purchase? So, her items cost $68.37 and she has $100. In order to buy all of these things, she needs to have more money than $68.37. So let's compare these numbers. When we are comparing numbers, we always want to start with the digit on the far left. In cases of these, we have a number with 2 digits before the decimal point. 100 has 3 digits before the decimal point. So to compare a 3-digit number to a 2-digit number, we need to pretend that there is a digit here. We've got ones, tens, and how many hundreds? It is actually 0 hundreds in 68. Over here in 100, we're going to look at our ones, our tens, our hundreds. We have 100. 1 is larger than the 0, so 100 is larger than 68. All 3-digit numbers are larger than 2-digit numbers. You could also take the $100 and subtract Emma's total purchase. If we have money left over, we will know that Emma has enough money. So 100 minus $68.37. Get out our calculators. 100 decimal point 00 minus 68 decimal point 37 equals. Emma has $31.63 left. So Emma had plenty of money to buy her things. Let's move on and look at our number of the day. Today's number of the day is 36. So when we're going to write these in number form, we have 30-6, the word 30-6, 36. Now we need to fill in our ones, tens, hundreds chart. It is easiest to work from the ones column on the far right hand of the number. And we have 6 ones, 3 tens, and once again, this is a 2-digit number, so there is nothing in the hundreds column. We don't write it at the front because we just know it. There's nothing there. But in our hundreds chart, we need to say that we have 0 hundreds. Now we can write today's number in expanded form. We have 0 hundreds, so we don't need to write anything. We have 3 tens. 3 tens is 10, 20, 30. 3 tens is 30, so we're going to write 30 plus 6 ones. 6 ones is 6. So 36 is 30 plus 6. Now we need to look at 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, 10 less. As we move across our hundreds chart from left to right, it gets 1 larger as we move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see it keeps getting larger as we move to the right. So let's find 36. And if we move over here to the right, the next number is 37. The digit in the tens column stays the same, but the digit in the ones column got 1 larger. It was 1 more. 1 more than 36 is 37. Now, as we move to the left, the numbers get smaller by 1 each time we move. So 36, 1 less than 36, we move to the left, and it's 35. So 1 less than 36 is 35. Now, as we move up and down the hundreds chart, our numbers get 10 smaller, 10 smaller as we go up, or 10 larger as we go down. Only the digit in the tens place is going to change. So we're at 36. And if we move down 1, we will see that 10 more is 46. Notice the 6 in the ones place stayed the same, but the 3 in the tens place got a little bit bigger. So we have 46. Let's come back to our 36. And now we want 10 less. So to go less, we're moving up. We're going to move up to the box above our 36. Notice our 6 in the ones column stays the same, but the digit in the tens column got smaller. 10 less than 36 is 26. Good job, y'all. Erase our page so we can move on to the next part. Okay. Okay, it's time for tally marks. Today, our number is 36. So remember, for tally marks, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 across. 4 down, 1 across. Everybody ready? Please try this on your scratch paper and count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and one more makes 36. We're going to go back and count by fives just to make sure we didn't make any mistakes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, so we've counted by fives to do our tally marks, but there's not a whole group of 5 here. 35, start counting by ones, is 36. Awesome job, guys. Get my eraser. Okay, as soon as I get this erased, we can move on to our money. Glad it's not the end of the year when we start using really big numbers and we have to get into the hundreds for doing our tally marks. By then, y'all will be so good at this, I'll let you do all the work. Okay. And our last slide. Today, we've got 3 dimes, and dimes are worth 10 cents. So we've got dime, dime, dime. We'll count by tens to count our dimes. Then we're going to move on to this coin, which is it's a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. And the little copper one is a penny. That's right, it's worth 1 cent. So let's count. 10, 20, 30. Now we got to switch to counting by fives. 35 plus one more is 36. We can write that as 36 cents, or we can write it in dollar-cent notation, which is $0.36. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Y'all did an awesome job today, and I look forward to seeing everyone tomorrow. Have a great day.